Hi traders, welcome to FXDD live trading webinar. My name is Nenad. Today we will do a live trading. We will scan for possible setups and let's see if we have some good trading opportunities that we could exploit in our favor. Before we proceed, have in mind that foreign exchange trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors, and leverage creates additional risk and loss exposure. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with foreign exchange trading. And have in mind that everything you see here is my personal opinion only. Also, on these web addresses, you can actually sign up for more webinars. I will paste it here in the chat. So sign up for more education and live trading webinars. I'm also monitoring your questions. So any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. And let's go now. So what we can actually find, let's see. We have potential trades. Now the news has just been released. Euro dollar, yeah, I expected it to hit this level, then drop. Although the London session was actually signaling that euro dollar will drop, but now you see it's like mostly it's ranging only 29 pips today, so it's not very fast. Now London session has far. I mean, the London Open already is already gone, so we cannot base our trades on London Open. Now we need to have a pullback in order to short the euro dollar. So euro dollar should go more to the upside before proceeding eventually down. Hi Cody. Cody saying hi. So yeah, we're trying to see if we have any setups. I'm also monitoring your questions, guys, here on other screens. Really, this is a tricky situation with euro dollar because now obviously this turned to be a downtrend, but the price didn't have a pullback at 14.45. So also London session hasn't made any breakout towards and lower than 13.99. So it's like it could still go more to the upside. So it's not like ideal situation for euro dollar. On the contrary, pound yen had a signal to go long here just before the news. The price went here, retested this left shoulder and then dropped. So some 20-25 pip jump was here, but then it just went with news services PMI. It was not very good result, so it was dropping. The dollar yen also here, guys, it's consolidating, so it needs to hit this level for us to go long. Pound dollar also, it needs to go here. So you see there is a lot of how can I say movement in the market that hasn't been that hasn't been actually backed up by retracements. And it's very hard to jump in a freight train. I don't do that. So basically, I would rather skip it. The Australian dollar, this was a trade from Tokyo session. And you see the Australian dollar went pretty much, well, it went up. And it was expected because it was the impact, the big impact on the Australian dollar was like the RBA decision and the cash rate statement. So basically, the Australian dollar was boosted in during Tokyo session, but now again it's in a retracement mode. So we don't see a clear entry. Dollar Swissy again, it's going down. It needs to get the retracement here in order for us. And I would like to buy the dollar Swissy here. It's a good confluence, a lot of confluence here, guys. You see. But unfortunately, dollar Swiss is not going down with a momentum. It's just sitting here. So it's not like we have a trading opportunity. The Australian dollar CAD, now this could be a short signal, but again, you see the price is going up now, and I don't see any signal from my method to go short. So I won't be making discretionary trade here. For this was a signal, guys, on my method, but you see it has already been played out. So we need to wait for retracement. New Zealand CAD, similar thing, no signal here, so we need to wait. Definitely, now it's waiting mode. Dollar CAD, again signals, and yeah, it dropped for quite some pips here for 28 pip. 38 is the ATR for today, very slow. Maybe we will get a signal later. Euro GBP, it was a long, now it's going up. Euro yen, this was a long signal here, okay, but now the price is dropping. On my other account I have a small long, but I would rather wait for this one to see if the price gets back into this zone. Then this could be a signal. I think this could be a breakout order. So if the price breaks, actually, yeah, this could be a breakout. So mark this level here. High is 20, so it's basically 25.65. So this would be it. The spread 3 pips, so we need a little bit higher. Okay, yeah, I would go like this. So 69, let's say this could be a breakout here. So the high is actually, let's see guys, the high is 64, 65, so 69, 68. It's okay like this. Okay, and this will be here, guys. This will be, yeah, it's okay. Trading buy stop at 68.5. Okay, this could be a buy stop indeed. So if the price actually breaks this level, this will be a possible up move. This is not head and shoulders quite. This happened to be head and shoulders left, head right. But you see the head and shoulders pattern already played out here because the price didn't make a break through this level. This is a confluence for buying. So basically, if the price breaks 125.65, there is a big possibility that it will go up. So my idea is to buy at the breakout. Of course, you need to include a spread. Definitely, you need always to watch for stop losses, guys. Stop loss is calculated for, this is 35, so we can say 20. It is a 3 pip spread. So yeah, stop loss should be at 22 if this happens to be. Yeah, let me see. 22 is a stop loss, and target is full price projection. So this is a breakout trade. If this happens, this will be it. If this trade actually happens. But as I'm saying, now the price is dropping. The euro is quite ranging. It's, you see, this is like head and shoulders, but not going anywhere now. It's in a ranging mode. It's like only 10 pip up, 10 pip down. So very, very restrictive price action here. It really doesn't tell us a lot. It doesn't tell us a lot because 29 is the ATR. You see my top left corner versus 59 for the last 5 days. It indicates very slow movement, guys, in the market. So yeah, I still think that if the price wants to go down, it should break this low here. But still, this is support 13.99, so it doesn't have much more room to the downside. It's much better the price goes up and makes some U-turn in order for us to actually sell it. Similar to euro yen, I would like to see an up move, and then at these levels, it's a good TP if the breakout happens, because now you see last 6-7 hours the price is in between here, the range. If it doesn't happen, well, I don't see any. Yeah, XAU USD again. Gold, you see, gold is also struggling to go anywhere. It's like it's not going anywhere. It's struggling to go anywhere. Pound yen dropping after the news. This was obviously a sort of fake out move. And yeah, if the news was good, or let's say if the news had been good for the GBP, I think that the GBPN would have gone here to 144.35. But services PMI, that is basically important news for and important data for the GBPN, was not good. So that is why it's dropping now. And yen is gaining some strength. Dollar yen, yeah, it's trying to go up. You see dollar yen rejecting from weekly H3, but no momentum, guys. We don't see a clear momentum here. We don't see a clear retracement. If I see a retracement, I would probably make a market entry, but now I don't see anything actually here. I don't see retracement. I don't see anything that is substantially valid for us to go long or short. Dollar CAD, you see, we need a pullback and then a U-turn, some reversal pattern. I will stick to this. If euro yen breaks, I don't know, maybe it will break out later during Asian session. If it breaks this level, this should go, because this is the marker for this euro yen, not this level here. Actually, this is the marker because this is intraday price action. And if it happens that if we see some breakout above this level, then euro yen will go further up. Because this is still uptrend, you see, buying the dip here. Now we might see a U-turn from this level, but again, a reversal pattern from 125.30 will be a signal for long. If not, I guess this will be the target, 125.08. Then you might be looking for some counter trend trade opportunities. But now it's being supported. You see, it's not like we don't have anything substantial. CAD yen, let's see CAD yen. Again, a signal, but not valid one because we see a bearish candle here and the price is still dropping. So again, I would be looking for buying here. These are signals that I like. Hammers, pin bars, bullish, not bearish. This is bearish, not bullish. This is good, bullish. This is good, bullish. So every signal, guys, that your system makes, you need to assess it from a trader's perspective. It's very important that you assess it from a trader's perspective, because only then you might actually start seeing some gains, because not each signal is good. You're a human being, a trader. You need to see if signal is correct. I wouldn't be buying this one, but if I saw this instead of this one, I would go long, definitely. Nothing here really. The price is a bit slow, except for, of course, Australian dollar pairs, because of the RBA announcement and the cash rate decision. The Australian dollar could be the best mover, and I think it's the best mover for today. As a single currency, of course, the Australian dollar, be it a base or quoted currency, doesn't matter. It's actually moving quite nice. Also, GBPN is moving quite nice, but GBPN actually dropped after the news. It made a spike, 20 pips, then dropped. Dollar yen, you see, consolidating. Euro yen still supported here. Nothing actually to be traded actively right now. If you have any questions, guys, if you have any questions for other pairs, just feel free to ask me. I'm monitoring the charts, and if anything happens, of course, we can trade it. But now, let's see 4-hour time frames. I don't know if 4-hour time frames are also doing well, but I think, yeah, good trading opportunity was actually Euro Swissy. Euro Swissy was a good trading opportunity. 4-hour trading opportunities for long trades from this spot, 80 to 81. Now the price made 110, 20 pips, and then it's retracing now. But it was good one, a good swing trade possibility. You see nothing. I don't see anything substantial. Again, this is a level to potentially go long also on 4-hour. But if it continues dropping here, I don't think it will be a valid long signal. The Australian dollar, you see, this was a good one before this breakout. Now the price is retesting this level here. So we don't see anything even on 4-hour time frames, really. Euro dollar. From uptrend, now switching to downtrend. Even if it goes here, I think it will be a change of trend. It will be again in downtrend. Now it's neutral. Yeah, the price is not doing anything to support bulls now. Only this support, if this holds, only then euro dollar will go up. Now, if it breaks, I think further down. See? So it's just like the day is very, very rangy. Here, we can have a switch, nothing on 4-hour, but this looks like it started moving to the upside also on 4-hour, but we don't have a signal here. CAD yen, again, nothing on weekly. I usually go with 3 time frame, weekly, daily, 4-hour, for trading 4-hour. GBP Swissy. Yeah, this could be actually, this could reject from daily. So mark this level, 29.39. If the daily candle closes above this level, 29.39.5, this could be a signal for long trades, guys. So pay attention to it. Could be a signal for longs. One hour also. Nothing here really. Yeah, euro yen is like it tried to go up from this spot. This is a big Marubozu open candle. Outside, inside close, everything is signaling for a long. Now it's dropping because euro is actually dropping. Now it's pulling euro yen. Also, it's correlation. And the yen is gaining strength. So, and the dollar yen is going down. When dollar yen goes up, euro yen will also follow to some extent, because of the yen as a quoted currency. So euro yen, this is the breakout that could be actually a confirmation for a continuation of a long trade. On my other account, I have a long here, but I wouldn't pull a long trade if I let's say if I had seen this now. So I would actually wait for this breakout of 65, but it still can go up. I think that it still can go up. Looks like it could reject from this spot, but again, it's low. It's like it's very dependent on dollar yen and on euro dollar. This order block here didn't hold. It held 5 hours, then it broke down. Now the only chance for euro yen to recuperate is if it makes a U-turn, first closes above 45 and then makes a close above 65. That could be a signal for long. But then again, this is pending. So let's see. I will wait it. I will actually leave this for the night. So if it happens during Tokyo session, okay. We'll use trading stop 20 pip if the trade goes 20 pips in profits. The trading stop will actually move stop loss and will protect my trade. If it goes 25 pips in profits, 20 pips will be protected. It's Swiss Army Expert Advisor. So yeah, you see, nothing basically, nothing. Gold is not following euro dollar now. It's actually a signal for long. Euro dollar still going down. Dollar yen going up. That is why the battle between euro dollar, dollar yen. That is why euro yen is slow. But it's the market. I mean, nothing to be afraid of, guys. If you trade low risk, it's always good. Yeah. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask. If not, guys, I think that we can call it a day because you see the market simply it's stalling. So the only trade setup that I have for you is Euro Yen guys long, FXDD platform, 125.68, 125.22 stop loss, 126.12 is the target. If the trade happens to be running during the Tokyo session, I advise you to use expert advisor that will move your stop loss whatever pips you want to have in profits, and you need to have either a PC running or VPS. I use Swiss Army expert advisor. After 25 pips, my trade is moved 20 pips in profit. That is how I protect it. Bollinger Bands are standard settings. But Cody, this is actually the method, the system that I use for trading, and it has custom built indicators. So it's a little bit different. Yes, it is on standard settings, but we have other algorithms that give us signals for trades, not just Bollinger Bands. Okay, guys, I think that everything is clear. I don't see any questions. No worries, Cody. You're most welcome. So anything, guys, is not clear, just be free and ask me. I will leave this trade if it happens, great, guys. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't matter. We will still have another trading session tomorrow. But let's see, maybe we will see a breakout of this range on the Euro Yen, and the price will indeed go further up. Let's wait and see. This webinar is recorded. It will be uploaded to FXDD YouTube channel. Okay, guys, I wish you a great trading day. As always, cheers and trade safe.